I'm going to show you how I make my own silicone moulds. These are perfect for silver clay. Hi, I'm Jack here at Sally's Clay. Now let's get making. Start by taking equal parts of white and blue compound. This can be eyeballed or you can measure them. Now blending the two together until they're an even colour with no marbling left. Now roll into a ball and place onto your work surface. Taking a flat object, I'm pressing down to make a nice even work surface of my moulding compound. Now dab lightly with some olive oil. This is going to act as a release agent for our fern. Now I'm going to place my fern on top of my mould. I'm pressing very gently down with my finger, and now I'm going to take my flat object and press firmly down. As we've popped the oil on top, this is also going to help the flat object be released from our moulding compound too. We leave this to set for 10 to 15 minutes until it's hard. Here are some other versions that I have made using the same method. And the great thing with this is it doesn't even have to be a fern. You can mould pretty much anything. I really hope you've liked this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other ones. All tools will be listed down below. Bye!